Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an MLA formatted document using your Office 365 Word Online account. Okay, so right now I'm at Coastal's website and I'm going to click on the My CCCC portal. It may prompt you to log in at that point. Go ahead and do that, and it's going to take you to our portal page. And you're going to choose Office 365. That's the red cloud icon. And again, if you're prompted to sign in, go ahead. I'm just going to click yes for stay signed in. And it's going to bring me to my home page for my Microsoft Office products. So for this one, I want to compose a Word document, so I'm going to select the Word option. Now, if you look, Word Online does provide an MLA style template. It's got some quirks, but overall it is accurate in terms of the font and the spacing and the margins. So this will save you a lot of time if you go ahead and choose this template. Okay, so right now I have a template and it has a file name of document. This is a terrible file name. We want to immediately rename this something that we will recognize later when we are frantically trying to find it. So I'm going to pretend that I'm Taylor Swift again. So I'm going to put my name, Taylor Swift, and this is my Essay 1 rough draft. Okay, so now this file has a reasonable name. Okay, let's start with some easy stuff. Your name. So you, the student, put your first and last name right there. Perfect. I'm going to click here. Instructor name. That's me. Okay. Word thinks I misspelled my name. It's because my name is so extra. All right, next, course number. ENG111. Okay. Next is the date. This assignment for the rough draft for both classes, it's due Monday, June 1st. So I'm going to put in the date MLA style, which is you put the number first, 1 space, type out the month completely for this page 1 heading, space, and then 2020. Okay. This part's a little trickier, but just follow along. You can watch this video over and over again if you need to. Click where it says Edit Header. Then, before you mess with this, I make this mistake all the time, but I'm remembering it right now. Click on Options, and then you want to select Same across entire document. So every page has a page number. Okay. Then just click once where it says Last Name and type your last name. You don't need to hit the space bar or enter or anything like that. The symbols next to the last name right here, that is programming that will make the page numbers advanced. So MLA style page numbers should be like Swift 1, Swift 2, Swift 3 on each page. So just click back into your essay and you might say, where did my page numbers go? I promise you they're there. If you go to this view and then pick reading view, it'll show you the like the finished product, and there you can see, right, Swift 1, and if you scroll down, ta-da, Swift 2. Excellent. So anyway, I'm going to go back into my normal view, and I'm going to go edit in browser, and that'll put me back in my normal editing view. Okay, what's next? The title and subtitle business. For Essay 1, you don't necessarily need to do a title and a subtitle, but you could, you know. Maybe I am reviewing, what am I writing a review of? Cracker Barrel. Overrated or not? Okay, there's my essay title. Um, you can go ahead and get rid of a lot of this stuff because it's just the template, you know. You can delete all that probably right there. I'm just gonna hit backspace. Perfect. So you just start typing your paper and it should be properly double spaced. This is the first sentence of my super awesome paper. Please do not start your paper like that. I am just kidding. Cracker Barrel is a fine dining establishment that dates back to the oh, fine dining. Oh my goodness, how embarrassing. No, I don't want either of those words. Dining, there we go. Dates back to the 1300s. This doesn't seem like a valid paper. All right, that's okay. And then once you finish your paper, the works cited, it should be the top line of the next page. And the other thing is you want that works cited to be centered. We'll talk more about this business. You don't have to worry about it right now. For the rough draft, you can just go and find your website that you're going to use for your required source. So if I'm writing about Cracker Barrel, I guess I'd better get some information about like the history, right? Let's see. Frequently asked questions. That sounds fun. I'm gonna go there. Huh. Look at this. I'm a student working on a school project. Okay. Newsroom page. Sounds great. Where's our newsroom then? There it is. Newsroom. Perfect. Okay. It's kind of interesting. Get to know us. There we go. This is the kind of information you would want for the first paragraph of your paper. Just some basic background information. Founded in 1969, so okay, not the 1300s. I'd better fix that, huh? All right, so I'm just gonna take this web address and Control C to copy, and I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna put Control V to paste. And for now, for the rough draft, that's all I need. Later for the final draft, I will need to turn this into an official MLA works cited entry. We'll talk more about that next week, so don't worry too much about that right now. But if you are curious, you can find that information in your little seagull under the MLA section. Okay. Now, here's my rough draft. It has a name. It is properly formatted MLA style. So the next thing I want to do is I would like to organize my OneDrive and make sure that this document is in my English 111 folder. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here. Note that I did not need to hit save. Everything auto saves. I'm going to go back to my portal and go to Office 365. And this time I'm going to go into OneDrive. And in a previous video, I set up my summer 2020 folder, and it contains, I'm being like a pretend student right now. These are the classes I'm taking. So what I want to do is make sure that my Taylor Swift paper ends up in the right spot. So I think I can just drag this, click and drag, and drop it right into this folder. But if it doesn't let me do that, I'm not too worried about it. I know I can click these three dots and then click Move To, and Your OneDrive, and Summer, and 111, and then click Move Here. And now, if I go in my summer folder and I go in my 111 folder, there's my essay, right? And I can continue working on it whenever I want, anywhere I have a computer and an internet connection, and it will auto-save my work. Hooray! All right, good luck, everybody.